Greetings and welcome to another bead haul for Odin's Bead Haul. Today I have for you another haul from NBeads. They offered me the chance to do another haul with a couple of tutorials, so I got some goodies to play with and to show y'all some things that they have and have some fun. So check out NBeads. This is another one of those wholesaler sites where you can get some good staples and things for projects. Really decent cheap seed beads and a nice selection. You just kind of have to do a little hunting and stuff. But enough of that. Let me see what we have. I completely forgot what I ordered. So maybe this will come to light later. Alright, I have a bag full of stuff. I don't remember. I had a theme going on. Oh, I think it's bees. Bees is what I wanted because I've been in a bee kick lately. And I don't know why. Bees are great and cute. Oh god, I'm making a mess. So, first up we have a tube of some kind. I'm gonna assume a tube of seed beads. This doesn't tell me what they are, but it's an interesting transparent matte. Kind of a pinky terracotta color. I don't know. I know I got a couple of seed beads to play with and just to see some colors because I'm kind of shifting my repertoire of chosen colors. Because there's a lot of things I have that I don't use and a lot of things that I'm finding myself needing. So this is, I don't know, it's kind of interesting. I can kind of see it in some earthy projects and stuff like that. But there's that. I have a strand of cone beads. These are nice for embroidery, which I'm probably going to do another video of. They make nice little structures. There's some designs out there. A lot of Russian beading channels have these in the work with these, and they're just nice to add like little lines that are a little flourished instead of just straight things. We've got that. We got some more seed beads from Miyuki. This is I don't know what this is, but it's a matte like cream ivory color. Very pretty. A nice staple for accents, or even if you want to do like light colored stuff. But yeah, I can't remember. I think these are 11s. They don't have too much on 15s, I've found, but if you're looking for 11s, I got some elastic for sewing. I forgot what exactly I got them for. I think I did it for waistbands or something. I'm doing a whole wardrobe alteration, so yeah, I got some elastic because we can always use that stuff. And I got some ear cuffs to play with. These have one hole, and these are kind of interesting because they have a larger motif than other ear cuffs I've seen where it's just a thick single band, and I thought this one was a little nifty, but a little dangly part on there, or some chains to connect to another earring. I don't know. I wanted them, so I got them. More seed beads. We have, ooh, this is a pretty color I picked out. It's like a very light taupey lavendery color. This is, I believe, from FGB. They have a lot of more of a rounder shape than like Miyuki's or Toho's, which are more cylindrical. I got some, ooh, these are pretty. I don't know what these are, but they're really pretty. I think this was like one of the sale items. Oh, man, are those shiny. Oh, God. That is unexpected and really gorgeous. They kind of have, like, a helix cut to them. Damn. That was not expecting that, especially for this price. If they have more of these on sale, I might go grab them. Because Swarovski used to have these helix-shaped beads, which were basically, like, rounds cut into a cool staircase motif. And this one is more like an ovaler shape, like, round pearls or something like that. Longer. Ooh, these are cute. So I got into my little bee shtick, and I got these really cute earring findings that look like a wax seal with a little bee on it. That's so cute. I like that a lot. I got these, wow, these are really tiny, really teeny tiny bead caps in a floral shape. These would actually be kind of cute in embroidery. We'll see what I can do with that, but they're little tiny bead ends. Good for like rounds or something. I'm not sure. They're cute though. We have some more Miyukis in an opaque brown of some form. The number is 409. And I think these might actually be 15s. Where's the other one? Yes, those are 15s, definitely. But I'm getting more... I'm trying to find colors to use as a base that isn't like gold and silver, because those bitches are expensive. Yeah. I have... Oh, those are cute! Cute little bee charms. Those are really nicely done. They're nicely cast. They're detailed. Those are very pretty. I like those. We have this strand of Rondelles in this cornflower color. I was basically getting a lot of honey-colored things, and blue is a really nice contrast to it. Especially like this pastel-y cornflower periwinkle blue. Probably because they're compatible colors on the color wheel. Maybe. I don't know. I just liked it, and I don't follow that methodology whatsoever. If it looks nice, I use it. We have, oh, those are skinny. Some skinny teardrop thingies that I wanted to use for, like, honey drips or something like that. These would actually be cute in embroidery, too, because they have a small enough profile that they won't clunk everywhere. So there's those. I got some golden... Oh, those are huge. I did not anticipate how big those were. Those are heavy. But these nice little spacers... because I'm not sure what I'm going to be using. I just grabbed things that would be in theme and go together. This is cute. I'm not sure what it's for, but they're really cute. These little honeycomb locket pendant things. Let me see. I don't know what I would put in there, but it opens up. That is really fucking cute. And there's a little bee on it. I don't know. Maybe it's meant to be a scent locket or something. I don't know. I don't know what I'd put in there. If anything, like a small resin piece to make it look all golden and honey-like. I don't know. It's cute. Yet again, more seed beads in this kind of bronzy color, but kind of more matte brown-ish. I don't know. That's a color I would definitely use. More Rondelles in a periwinkle color to kind of go and coordinate with the blues. That's not quite the color I was looking for, but they are appropriately shiny, that I will find a use for them. Seed beads in this, pretty red oxblood color. So those are nice. Always useful to me, because I'm into that color scheme. We got some glass pearls to go with, like, the honey color themed stuff like that. I like that. Some teardrops. I was having a hell of a time finding the teardrops that matched this one. The only package they had was 10 strands, and I'm like, I do not need 10 strands of this. And it was really heavy, so I ended up not getting them, but I may get them regardless. And seeing if I can just, I guess, use them in other pieces, because I will be swimming in teardrops. More honey-colored rounds to go with this. Slightly larger honey-colored rounds. Actually, these are Rondelles, but I got those. I have these... Ooh, these were cute! These little moon charms with enamel in them. So, those are cute. I like little charmy bits. And I think, lastly, more seed beads. In this velvety matte, I want to say like a lavender amethysty color. Something like that. I was trying to decide what colors to go with everything, but yeah, that's a lovely little assortment, and they're kind of in theme, like nothing in here is really striking me as something that doesn't work. So these, I think, will make some fun projects. So this was from NBeads. Feel free to check them out down below if you're looking for some cheap findings and stuff. Just be mindful of the shipping. The more something weighs, the more shipping it's going to be, and it adds up real quick. But if you go for like the really lightweight things, it's a great place to find some nice staples for your projects. And you find little cute treasures like this, and what are those? Like these, I'm fucking in love with these bees. Oh my god, they're so cute. I may have to buy extras because, yes. But anyway, that was it. Check out MBeads and then make some cool stuff with it. And look forward to the videos that I make with it. I'm going to probably do some more bead embroidery epic sagas. And then I'm going to do something bee-themed for a tutorial. I don't know what that is, but it will be there eventually. So, with all that being said, be sure to like up this video and subscribe if you want to see more bullshit from me. Check out all my social media links down below, and come say hi to me over on social medias. And thank you for all of my patrons over on Patreon. You guys are awesome, and thank you so much for all the support. If you would like exclusive tutorials once per month, feel free to check out my Patreon page, patreon.com/odins.musings. And now recently I have enlisted memberships over right on YouTube. If you don't want to sign up for a brand new website and just want to stay right on YouTube, you go down in the description, check out the little join button right next to the title of the video. But thank y'all so much for joining me, and of course, if there's anything I need to be drawing out right now, feel free to let me know down below, and I will see you next time.